Namaskaram. Today I am telling you a story which is rarely known to the people and very few people know about this. There was a small boy named Brahmadev. From childhood he was fully devoted to Peepal tree. He daily prays and meditate under this sacred tree. After few years, he possessed divine power as a result of his devotion towards God. In Indian mythology, Peepal tree is very sacred and it is believed it is a form of God Vasudeva. Nearby that place, a palace of king who possessed elephants. So once he asked his soldiers to take elephant outside palace and feed green leaves as per king's order. They took elephant and they tried to cut few shrub to tree. Here due to divine power of Brahmadev, no one was able to touch tree. So they all gone back to king, told about Brahmadev power. But king was so wicked. He said, whenever that Brahmadev is not there, you will go and cut whole tree, then we will watch what he will do. Few days after Brahmadev marriage day came, he went to another place for his marriage rituals. Then king thought, this is perfect time to cut tree. He ordered his men to go and cut tree. As per king's order, the tree got cut. But immediately, Brahmadev got intuitions from his inner power. The tree had been cut by order of king. He immediately stood to left the palace, but his in-laws insisted to stay for few more hours to complete all ritual. So he stayed as per request. Then he left directly for the king's palace. From there, in his way, he met a village person who asked, "Where are you going?" He replied, "I'm going to palace." Asked king, why he cut that tree, why he did that. That village person told, not to go palace as king don't listen to anybody. Brahmadev asked him to leave his way and let him go to palace. Village person thought, I should say some bad words to this man, so he did not go to king and go back to his place. He said some bad words as Brahmadev got very angry. He took out his knife and cut out his own abdomen. Blood started coming out and he died. By seeing all this mess, that village person thought, oh my God, what have I done? I killed innocent person. I don't deserve to live. He felt guilt and killed himself. After that, Brahmadev formed spirit, started moving to palace again. He reached there and asked soldier to go and tell king. Brahmadev came, whose tree he cut, and wanna meet him. Soldier informed king, as king ordered them to kill Brahmadev. They came back and killed Brahmadev. After that, burned him. But after few hours, he again emerged in his previous form and asked to meet king. Soldiers were so frightened as they got order to kill Brahmadev. So they fought, but all died. Brahmadev reached to king and killed him. But queen was so clever. She asked his son to call Mama to Brahmadev. Mama is said to be the maternal brother, so he will not kill his son. And things same happened. He left both queen and his son and asked child to live his life freely. He won't hurt him as he said Mama to him. Then he took a small stick of peepal tree and planted it there. Then he went to Mayur for goddess Ma Sharda austerity for 15 years to gain boon of eternal soul and told his people that he will come back to the same place in the form of eternal soul and this stick will become peepal tree. So he will live there after coming back. In this way, Brahmadev became Basaman Mama. In form of soul, he fulfilled wishes of people like Mama and blesses everyone. Iti Shri.